everyone, VW Rubs here, and today we're going to be doing a restoration of this Ambi Toys camera from the 60s. Don't know how old it is, but it is very dirty. Got it for $1, and it's going to need quite a bit of work. If anyone knows more information about this toy, I'd like to know. But surprise! There's some squeaker, but it's gonna need some work. Gee, so let's get into this restoration. Ooh. Let's try and get the other one out. That one's not coming out. Whoa. Okay. Boom. Is this just put down? Yep. Okay, so we have the main mechanism of it now that we're inside. And it appears just to be a push button. And then this is what the inside's like. So it's pretty interesting to see this. Well, we can't leave it like this for long. So let's see if we can do more disassembly. And if not, we'll just get into the restoration. I couldn't get any further in, and I don't want to risk breaking this thing. So I'm just going to leave it how it is. But we've got all the parts laid out here. So this is the back, the spring, the front cover, the squeaker, and the actual guy, and some screws, and then this. So let's get into the restoration. Here, we've got our sink here. Now I'm going to get into a time lapse. One issue, I have to be very careful to avoid this little sticker. So let's get into a time lapse. There's some corrosion on this piece, and to help with that, I'm just dabbing it, and I'm trying to help remove it so it works as best it can. So yeah, see how this goes. Okay, so it's time to start the reassembly process now that we've gotten everything cleaned and restored. So I'm going to start by pushing this in place. Okay, hold on. Back to that point. Now it seems really smooth, so here's the squeaker. So I'm gonna face it this way with the squeaker facing outward. So yeah, you can kind of see it through the lens. Okay, there. Got that back in. And now all we need to do is slide this back in. Okay, there we go. Now, boom. So I'm gonna do some more. Okay, so now I'm gonna thread this through. Hold on. Boom. Okay, so let's put this back in. Okay, seems pretty good. Okay, now it's time to put the front cover back on. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's gonna be a bit hard. Finally got it together, and I'm gonna put these screws back in. And done. Let's get into what it looks like now. Squeaker sounds better. Because of the position, but yeah, now it looks really clean. Kept that old logo, and yeah. So thank you for watching VW Bubs. 300 sub special coming soon, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye.